I struggled writing these as there are simply not enough words to describe how much I love you. You are more than just my partner in life, but also my best friend and soulmate. Today marks the beginning of our forever, a day I have dreamt about many times. Even though I may not always say it out loud, I wake up every day wondering how I got so lucky. From day one, you have always gone above and beyond to make sure I'm taken care of and happy. You are gentle and kind, beautiful from the inside out. Your generosity is infectious, and I am forever grateful our paths crossed. You inspire me to be better, to work towards my highest self. That is what I, in return, hope to give to you. I vow to always keep an adventurous spirit, to climb all of life's mountains with you, no matter the terrain. I vow to endure the rough patches, with full notion we can get through anything together. I vow to you on this day and forever that no matter the weight of the world, I will always look to you as my greatest gift. I promise to love you through it all.
From the first day Steph was born, her mother and I looked into her beautiful blue eyes. We knew she'd do great things in her life. You were always so sweet, loving, and caring. You have always set your mind to doing something and followed through with it. When Steph sets her mind to something, she finishes it.
Since the moment I met you, I knew you would be my wife. From meeting you at the bottom of the escalator out here, to planning our first wedding date of 8/18/18, to planning this cherished day today, I knew we would be together forever. You have literally been my side through thick and thin, literally when I was thick or thick-headed. Since the day we started dating, it would be impossible for me to be the man I am today without you by my side. It is such a special feeling to know you are my soulmate to love with, laugh with, and to grow old with. The moments we have had and will have, the laughs we shared and will share, and the years we have had and will forever have grown us into the greatest couple and team. I vow to love you with everything in me. I vow to cherish you as my wife and the beautiful person you are. I vow to respect, trust, and heal you in times of need. I vow to be the best me I can be. I love you so much. You have no idea.
You're perfect. I love you.
Tyler, you have been a part of our family already. Today just made it legal. Two of you are like two peas in a pod. You both have the same goals in life, always there for each other. That's why you are perfect for each other.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that dress. Oh my God, you are the most beautiful girl in the world.
So I'm going to start off and take a few moments to talk about this young couple in front of me here today. Stephanie and Tyler, I would like to remind you both how great it is to have someone in your life that compels you to search deep in your heart for the words that express your passion of your commitment. Now, by the power vested in me and $49.95 how to become a Texas ordained minister, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Son, you may now kiss my beautiful daughter-in-law.
So happy you two found each other. Honestly, they are, like Ward said, the same person. And Steph, you're my older sister, not just my cousin. And so Tyler, you are an older brother to me now, and this is my official welcome to the family. And I love you both so much. So toast to Stephanie and Tyler. May you guys have the most beautiful long-lived, forever love.
You put into me the care and love going into your marriage with Stephanie, that you can show her the care and love you showed me as a brother. You two are perfect for each other, and I am excited to see where this next step takes you in your adventure of life. So, everybody, toast to Tyler and Stephanie.
I could never forget the way you look at me.